This was a recent thrift store find. And might think it's a typical, has the back feet. It is a beige cabinet. So you're thinking 88, 89 Galaxy. But what makes this a little bit unusual is it has the metal Marco motor for an 88, 89 model. And what got me to get this, it's a Lasko version. This is as found. Grills are completely intact. Feet are intact. We're going to try it out, and then we're going to do a complete cleanup and detailing on this thing, and motor lubrication, etc. So now let's see how well this runs before. Seems to still be pretty well lubricated. It's probably never been cleaned. Good. And we'll just check off. Oh, a little off balance there. It's spinning backwards. All right, let's just double check all 3 speeds, make sure they work. Let's get moving. All right, the entire frame has been stripped, as in all the parts off it. Original paint, a little minor surface rust, which I sealed up right here with some wax. If it's just so minor like that, it's not worth repainting, because then you lose the originality of the paint. It has to be past a certain point before we decide to repaint things. But anyways, it's shined up really nice. Even shined up the motor. However, yeah, even though it's spun freely and sounded good, all that motor is stiff. So we're going to get it remounted and we're going to oil it. So that's where we're at right now. How do we look up top here? Oh yeah, see that sticker really shined up too. And here it is. It's actually been in use for a couple months now, since the last take on the video. So, but it's ran fairly well. I shouldn't say very well. It's been extremely well. It just works. So, one last look. So it's just so odd seeing it as an actual Lasko brand. So, and yes, it is on high. We have it controlled by Alexa. Just do that. And we'll just start off on high, medium, and low. Here it is from the back. It's just so odd seeing that metal Marco motor of this color cabinet. So I'll do startup sounds. Here is high. Medium. Low. There's a slight startup sound there, but for the most part it's just quiet. Put it back on high. Now we'll do spin down from high. So thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.